This is like my favorite part of the day, you know, coming to firefighting.
Ladder coming through. Ladder coming through.
The Lower Richland Fire Training Academy is a chance for the high school students to come and get their firefighter certification. They get vehicle extrication, hazmat awareness training, hazmat operations, Firefighter 1, Firefighter 2, and some CPR and first aid training. Not everybody has this, and we're one of the state-of-the-art districts. Our gear is top of the line. We have our own fire truck. We have everything that they would need to go out into the real world.
Good.
Like if there was a fire happening, we would know how to do that. Like if it was a fire in the classroom, we would know, okay, the doors, what type of building this is, and everything. So we can know how to do it and do it right.
Before you twist it, I go, yes sir, yeah, there you go.
So not only do they get a state of South Carolina certification, but they also get an international certification. All of the surrounding departments have an interest in what we're doing here, so my students can pretty much pick where they want to go. But one of the biggest things that you'll see here is the students learn about teamwork. So one student doesn't know how to do the ladders, they teach him. Or one student doesn't know how to put on his gear, they'll show him.
Perfect.
It's mind blowing. I really couldn't picture myself doing this. I really thought I was gonna be doing something else. I really did not. I'm blessed to be in this class, really. If you want to do something and you want to help people, be a firefighter. That's it.